true success is not in the learning, but in its application to the benefit of mankind. For Thailand, much alertness and importance have been given to the preparedness for, prevention of, and response to emerging infectious diseases, EIDs. Between 2005 and 2016, 3 national strategic plans were drawn up and implemented. Currently, the 4th plan, that is, National Strategic Plan for Emerging Infectious Diseases, 2017 to 2021, is being implemented, emphasizing systematic, efficient, and timely actions through multi-sectoral coordination regarding knowledge management and integration of efforts based on previous experiences and lessons learned. An EVAP pig farm, commitments to responsible antimicrobial use in animals, a private pig farm, Rayong. Thailand is famous for not only its natural attractions, but also colorful night scenes, as well as tasty food that are fascinating to Thai people and foreign visitors. Importantly, it has a wide variety of raw food materials. To prevent an outbreak of an emerging infectious disease in today's world, Thailand has attached importance to the safety of raw materials from the sources of production process, and quality control. What we are seeing now is a fattening pig farm of a large meat-producing company of Thailand for domestic and overseas consumption. This farm uses a modern farm management model that emphasizes disease prevention and environmental management systems. It is a closed pig house system that can control or prevent the pigs from being in contact with germ-transmitting animals, humans, and the environment from outside the farm. That is to reduce the occurrence of infection in the animal production process.
หัวใจสำคัญของเราเลยเราจะพยายาม
Mr. Damneun Jaturawitawong, Senior Vice President, Swine Veterinary Service Department, said, "We attach importance to the production of safe and high-quality pork based on the food security principles and state control measures of the Livestock Development Department, especially in reducing the use of antimicrobials in line with today's global standards and trends."
โอกาสที่จะป่วยเป็นโรคก็จะน้อยลง
A good disease prevention practice is to firstly prevent the germs from being transmitted into the farm by disinfecting the vehicles, tools, and equipment before entering the farm. The workers who will be entering to work in the farm must change clothes, take a bath, wash the hair, and wear only the clothes provided by the farm. This is an EVAP pig farm, or a closed pig house using an evaporative cooling system. Within the pig house, the temperature and humidity are controlled as desired to fit the age range of the pigs using a computerized automation system to maintain the pigs' comfortable conditions.
ถ้าเราเปิดโรงเรือนง่ายๆครับ
Mr. Thawatchai Namprai, the farm manager, said, "We use the closed system because a disinfecting solution can be used to prevent the transmission of infectious agents from outside the farm. Other animals that are disease carriers will not be allowed to get into the farm. The control measures are applied to humans and animals, and the pig waste, including manure and urine, will be used for producing biogas."
ดังนั้นเราสามารถควบคุมบุคคลหรือว่าสิ่งของ
This farm produces fattened pigs for slaughtering and processing as fresh meat and pork products. At present, according to Thai law, the production system and steps are controlled by the Department of Livestock Development under the Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives. The traceability system has been established to require that all producers have a veterinarian at each farm to ensure the rational use of animal medicines and feed required by law.
อันนี้ก็เราถือเป็นนโยบายหลักในเรื่องของ
Mr. Chayo Krisana Kriyankrai, veterinarian of the farm, said, "As required by law, each farm has to have a veterinarian to be responsible for animal medication, vaccination, and disease control. Regarding the use of antibiotics, the drug purchase cannot be ordered by any farm officials. Rather, the purchase has to be prescribed by the veterinarian according to the farm company's schedule and by
จะต้อง
law."
มีใบอนุญาต
Today is one of the days on which the farm veterinarian is scheduled to meet with the farm manager and other farm workers on animal health care. The veterinarian will also inspect animal feed and collect samples for examination at the company's central laboratory. As for the steps of antimicrobial use, the farm workers have been trained in this matter, and systems have been in place for the traceability and prescription of drugs and vaccines, as well as for drug storage, as per the set standards. Samples of such materials are regularly collected for further examination or testing. In addition to farm management, the quality assurance for the production of safe products is an important measure. Here is the central laboratory that examines the samples collected from farms to identify the real causes of illness so that disease treatment and prevention plans can be properly developed.
โดยในปี 2016 ที่ผ่านมาทาง
Mr. Damnon said, in 2016, the company set a global vision on antimicrobial use in animals. Its focus is on the production of safe meat-derived foods, based on the sustainability principle regarding responsible use of antimicrobials under the supervision of the farm's veterinarian, especially for the group of drugs that are used by humans and animals. Efforts are also made to reduce antimicrobial use, according to the company's policy.
เราจะพยายามหลีกเลี่ยงการใช้ยาปฏิชีวนะที่มีการใช้ร่วมกันทั้งในคนและในสัตว์
In Thailand, the Department of Livestock Development, under the Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives, is the state agency that controls and monitors animal production according to the law on safe production standards. The department is also an important agency involved in the implementation of the National Strategic Plan for Emerging Infectious Diseases 2017 to 2021.
การดำเนินการเนี่ยเราร่วมมือกันหลายภาคส่วน
Mr. Somchuan Ratana Mankranon, Deputy Director General, Department of Livestock Development, said, "We collaborate with the Ministry of Public Health under the One Health concept in promoting and enforcing the law on animal production of related farmers and companies to produce quality products. To chiefly emphasize the safety principle, many related laws have been passed, so we can perform the inspection function more effectively."
นะครับถ้าเราไม่ทำเราก็ละเว้นปฏิบัติหน้าที่
In performing its duties, in addition to enhancing the knowledge about all animal or meat production and processing steps, the Department of Livestock Development is also involved in inspecting and issuing permits for the production, sales, and consumption of meat products, and setting standards for animal and goods production to ensure public safety.
การส่งเสริมนะครับเพื่อให้เกษตรกรมีความรู้ความ
Mr. Somchuan said, "Regarding the use of antimicrobials in animals and other related matters, we cannot work alone. We need the cooperation of all relevant sectors, in boosting the knowledge for all concerned, including farmers, producers, and consumers, so that they are aware of the food security requirements.
เนี่ยพวกนี้เราผลักดันให้เข้ามาตรฐานฟาร์ม
One of the key challenges on AMR is the continued political and policy commitment to sustain implementation of AMR National Strategic Plan. Because government can have quite rapid turnover, therefore there is a need for a sustained commitment, sustained policy to address AMR across different government. Otherwise, if a new government come in and change policy, and another new minister come and change policy, that is so disappointed. Therefore, there is a need for a sustained commitment in the context of rapid turnover of both policy and implementation. So that is one of the key challenges.
According to the current and previous national strategic plans for the preparedness for, prevention of, and response to emerging infectious diseases, the participation of civil society and the private sector is regarded as an important action.